Glad you're back. Now that Sally has the reports and charts she needs to make good business decisions, she wants to put them front and center on her homepage. Then when Sally logs in each morning, she'll have all the information she needs to keep her business on track throughout the day. She'll also create a homepage for her sales team to give them just the information and actions they need to be efficient, informed, and productive. This video starts where the last one left off. Open your tutorial app, or if you're just joining us, get the app from Exchange as explained in video 2, then follow the video series in order. If you prefer to simply learn concepts, just sit back and watch and then go experiment on your own. Let's start with modifying Sally's homepage. Click Home, then click Customize this page. From the widget gallery at the top, you can add reports or charts, text, buttons, links, a search bar, a reports list, and web pages to your homepage. Sally doesn't need the intro image and text that came with the app, so let's delete that rich text widget. Hover over the widget and then click the trash icon. Click Delete to confirm. Now add Sally's new pie chart to the top of her homepage by dragging a report or chart widget to the left of the funnel chart. Select or search for duration of activities. Now that she has her new pie chart, let's remove the bar chart that came with the app she downloaded from Exchange. Hover over the chart and then click Delete. The pie chart and funnel chart are the heart of what Sally wants to see. The map is not as important, so drag the map below the activities table. Now let's adjust the size of the widgets a bit. Drag the gray line between the pie and funnel charts to the right to make the pie chart bigger. Now drag the bottom of the funnel chart widget up a little and do the same thing to the pie chart widget to make these charts a little smaller so Sally can see her activities list. Change the name of the page to Sally's Home. Click Save. Nice work! Now Sally's homepage contains the vital information she'll need throughout her day. She can see duration of activities, customer status, all sales activities by customer, and a map of customer locations. To ensure that her sales team has easy access to the information they need to be most productive, efficient, and motivated, she'll create a homepage just for them. This homepage will provide key information, action buttons, and a bit of friendly competition too. Create a new homepage by clicking Settings from the app homepage. Go to Pages and click New. Homepage is already selected. Click Create. Change the title to Sales Team Home. Drag a report or chart widget to the homepage. Select or search for My Sales Activities. Notice that Sally can give her team the option to collapse this widget. Now drag another report or chart widget above the My Activities table. This time, select or search for activities by type and duration for each service rep to introduce a little more of the friendly competition Sally's sales team thrives on. Edit the chart title to Sales Team's Activities. Now let's add a couple of buttons so the team can easily log their work right from their homepage. Drag a button bar widget all the way to the left to create a sidebar that saves space on the page. Under New Record, select Activity. Change the title of the button bar to Add New. Click New Button and select Contacts to add an Add Contact button. You can change the color or alignment of these buttons by clicking the settings icon. Now drag a search widget under the button bar widget. You can choose any table in your app to focus your search on. You can even narrow your search to a field or set of fields. In this case, Sally would like her team to be able to search for customer information, so let's leave this choice as customer. Great! Each member of the sales team will be able to see a table with just their own activities, a bar chart to show them how they stack up against their colleagues, action buttons to make adding contacts and activities more efficient, and a search bar to help them find customer information. Sally knows the value of positive feedback and wants to add a message to the top of the page. Drag a text widget to the top of the home page. Click the pencil icon and edit the title to read "Great Work." In the text box, add a message for Sally's team. You can change the color, increase the font size, and add links, images, tables, or images with links. Click Save and you'll see a sales team homepage under the app homepage. Sally has streamlined work for herself and her team by creating homepages. To make the new sales team homepage available to her team, Sally needs to create a new role. Next up, learn how to create a role and set a homepage for that role.